Hi, welcome to English lesson by Canada Lingo. In this lesson, we are going to learn some new words and alphabet. So this is D. D. Let's write it. D. D. For example, dog. So D O G, dog, or duck. D A and K, duck. It's a dog. It's a duck. So what's this? What's this? We say it's a dog. It's a dog. O bir köpek. It's a dog. And what's this? It's a duck. It's a duck. It's a dog. It's a duck. Dog, duck. It's a duck. The duck. It's a cat. Cat. It's a dog. Dog. It's a car. Car. So let's write. It's a duck. O bir duck. It's a duck. It's a cat. O bir cat. It's a dog. O bir dog. And it's a car. It's a car. Duck, cat, dog, car. What color is it? What color is it? Ne renk? What color is it? For example, what color is it? It's green. It's green. What color is it? It's red. It's red. It's green. It's red. What color is it? It's blue. It's blue. What color is it? It's black. It's black. It's black. So what's this? What's this? It means bu nedir? So what's this? It means bu nedir? What's this? It's a desk. Desk. So it's a desk. What's this? It's a chair. It's a chair. Chair. It's a chair. And what's this? It's a crayon. It's a crayon. What's this? It's a pencil. It's a pencil. What's this? It's a notebook. It's a notebook. Desk, chair, crayon, pencil, and notebook. So, it's a desk. It's a desk. It's a chair. It's a chair. And it's a fish. Fish. So it's a fish. It's a fish. Green chair. Yellow desk. Green chair. Yellow desk. And yellow crayon. Blue notebook. It's a blue notebook. It's a blue notebook. Blue notebook, mavi defter. So, blue notebook. It's a green chair. Green chair. It means yeşil sandalye. So, green chair. It's a yellow desk. It's a yellow desk. So, it's a green chair. It's a blue notebook. It's a yellow desk. Here we learn E or E. So we write E, E, E. We say E. For example, this is egg. Egg. Egg, yumurta. So, egg. Or we say elephant. Elephant. It's an elephant. Elephant. Egg, elephant. This is one. Let's count from one. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we learned 5. In Turkish, fish. 5. Let's count. Let's count yani sayalım. So let's count. It means sayalım. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 6. So 6. Look. S, E, X. 6. And 5. 5. 5 crayons. 5 crayons. 5 crayons. Yani 5 tane crayon. 5 crayons. 6 crayons. 6 tane crayon. 6 crayons. So 6 crayons. 6 crayons. So let's count. Let's count sayalım. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 notebooks. 6 notebooks. So 6 notebooks. 6 tane notebook. 6 notebooks. Let's count. Sayalım. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chairs. 5 chairs. 5 chairs. 5 chairs. So we learned 6 notebooks and 5 chairs. This is F. 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 For example, fish. It's a fish. F. E. Ş. Fish, it means balık. So it's a fish. Yani o bir balık. It's a fish. F, A, R, M. Farm. Fa, R, M. Farm. It's a farm. O bir farm. It's a farm. Farm, it means çiftlik. So fish and farm. Fish and farm. This is a farm. And this is a cat. So fish, we start writing fish, and egg, yumurta, egg. And this is farm, farm, and elephant. So let's write it's a fish. It's a fish. It's an egg. O bir yumurta. It's an egg. It's a farm. O bir çiftlik. It's a farm. And it's an elephant. O bir fil. It's an elephant. Fish, egg, farm, elephant. And it's a train. Look, this is a train. It's a train. It's a train. It's a notebook. A green notebook. It's a green notebook. It's a blue notebook. It's a blue notebook. Alright, so this is the end of this session. Have a nice day and see you later.